Okay, friend. So if you already clarify your niche and like your niche affiliate marketing or make money online and something like weight loss. So what you need to do next, select right affiliate product. And because so many affiliate marketer in beginning time doing one mistake, they don't know how to select right product. But before uh, going to select right product, I'll explain you what kind of product available in the marketplace. So you can see three type product available in the marketplace. Number one, low ticket offers. You can around something $8 to $50, and high ticket offer around $50 to $5,000 product, and based on recurring commission offer available on the marketplace. So if you are a affiliate marketer, you should need to know what kind of offer you able to promote, because every offer have been different strategy to promoting. Like low ticket offer, once you want low ticket offer, you can promote through blog and review video and provide huge bonuses, like something anyone can buy your this product when you provide very good bonuses. So I'll show you I am talking what I am talking. So go to the Google and search munceye.com, MUNCHEYE, munceye.com. This is the one of the biggest uh, affiliate marketing product and internet marketing launching hub, where every vendor launching their offer on air. So you can see so many offers available on the marketplace, and they launching day by day. And this is San Baker, and he is the greatest man in around the world. He is the digital marketer. He creating so many products. So you can see he launching retargeting offer, and you can see profit engine. It is going live. So it is something like low ticket offer, and how you can promote this kind of offer. So you can see this is, if you want to promote low ticket offer, you should need to create something review video about this product and provide good bonuses. And and you can upload your video on YouTube. Once people watch your video, your review video, after then people coming clicking on your link, and people show your bonuses and people buy from you. So just a minute, I'll show you what I'm talking. Like if, for example, is this product is low ticket offer, and it will going live the specific date. And what you need to do, if you as a complete beginner, I have been suggest you go with low ticket offer first of all. If you are beginner, you can promote only low ticket offer, and create the your personal audience. I will show you how you can create your traffic channel in later. Just a minute. Once you search review, so many marketers creating review video about this product. Just a minute. So you can see this is one of the best person who creating a review video. So you can watch now if you want, and you can create something like this video and rank on the YouTube. And once people watching your video, and they will clicking on your bonus page, and you will get, and they will buy, and you will get paid commission. So many people, you can see so many people creating a review video about this product. And one minute. So you can see this is going live today, but he already create a video, and he provided something good bonuses, and people watching this video. I cannot show. Just a minute. Click the link below, and he creating a bonus page. I'll show you how what is look like as a bonus page and later. So look at on here, he promoting same product and profit engine, and you can see his debut video, and he explain about product, and you can see the below he provide very good bonuses. You can see get all those exclusive bonuses. So if also you can provide a same kind of bonuses, and once you provide a good bonuses, people like, and people clicking any kind of button, and you can see he putting their affiliate link on every button, and once people buy, and he make a lot of commission. So you can promote any low ticket offer using this method. Select right low ticket offer from uh, Clickbank and JBizu Warrior Plus, and you can promote now. Just creating review video, provide good bonuses and promote now. And the second number bonuses, it is called high ticket offer. And how you can promote high ticket offer? I know I have done high ticket offer. I have making a lot of money to so selling high ticket offer. So what you need to do once you want to sell high ticket offer, first of all you should need to create your personal brand, because without personal branding people don't trust you. If you search me on YouTube, Google, like Subhash Yadav and online coach, sorry, I think I've been searching wrong. Like online coach, you can see this is my brand, and once you search personal branding expert, you can see this is a Subhash Yadav. He is the personal branding expert. He's like, so you can see once you open, and so I have creating my personal brand because it is necessary, and people, anyone coming on my website, he trust me and like me and know me. After then, once I promote any kind of affiliate offer, high ticket offer, they will easily buy from me, and I have made a commission. And you can see affiliate marketing, you can see Subhash Yadav, personal branding expert. Just a minute. So I have posting so many articles about how you can build personal brand, and about affiliate marketing, traffic generation. So many, go to my official website and you can read every article. So you can see this is my official website, and you can see, so once people visiting and know me and trust me, and how you can promote high ticket offer, that is simple methods. People like you, trust you and know you, and they will buy your recommendation. You can promote any kind of recommendation product, like if you go to Clickbank, like something Clickbank, and find high ticket offer. Just a minute. Click the affiliate marketplace, and select your category. So many category available. If your category not belong to internet marketing and e-marketing, don't worry, you select like yoga and health, fitness, and so many category available on here. So simply click your category, but your category is e-business and marketing, just click on here, and you can see so many product available like high ticket offer. So you can see uh, if selling super affiliate system, you can make approximately $532 just one single sale. So it is called high ticket offer, and it is real price $997 front end. After then you can get recurring commission, so you can say this is a recurring commission. So our second product, our third product called recurring commission. So you can see high ticket, it is called like approximately 200 and $300 sale. And recurring commission, like you can sell like Bluehost email marketing services, hosting services, get responsible email marketing services, killing magic tracking services, something tools which pay your customer as every month. Then you will get paid a recurring commission. And like membership site and high ticket courses, so it is all recurring commission. So that is the course selection video. I hope you understand.